Hello students, I'm going to discuss the quick solutions of All India Akash Test Series Miracle 2020 for OIM and Carry Forward students. Your test is test number 10, code A and B. Your test was held on 28th of February 2021. I'll be taking the botany section. The very first question in the botany section is question number 91, which says, which one is wrong for semi-autonomous cell organelles? Which are semi-autonomous cell organelles? The mitochondria and the chloroplast they are the semi-autonomous cell organelles and they have 70s ribosomes, true. GC rich DNA, true. Incapable to replicate their own DNA, no, they are capable of replicating their own DNA. They can replicate their own DNA. Porins in the outer membrane. Mitochondria and the chloroplast both have porins in the outer membrane. Some bacteria also have porins in their outer membrane. So this is also correct. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move to the next question. Question number 92. Heterochromatin is the highly condensed and densely packed chromatin region. Euchromatin is a loosely packed region of the chromatin. So first statement is true for the euchromatin, whereas second statement is true for the heterochromatin. This heterochromatin, as it is densely packed, it is darkly stained region of the chromatin. Third, transcriptionally active region, no. Heterochromatin, as it is densely packed region, it is transcriptionally inactive region of the chromatin. So this is wrong, this is correct. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move to the next question. Question number 93. Select incorrectly matched pair. First, tubulin protein synthesis G2 phase, true. The tubulin protein synthesis takes place in the G2 phase. Second, histone protein synthesis takes place in the S phase or the synthesis phase. It is also true. Third one, synthesis of proteins in the G1 phase. Yes, most of the proteins are synthesized in the G1 phase and some of the proteins can be synthesized in the G2 phase. Fourth is centriole duplication in the G2 phase. No. In animal cells where centrioles are present, the centriole duplication takes place in the S phase of the cell cycle. So this is the incorrectly matched pair. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move to the next question. Question number 94. What is incorrect regarding regulation of cell cycle? G1 to S transition is major checkpoint. Yes, if a cell enters the S phase, it is committed to divide. So when there is transition of a cell from G1 to S phase, it means it is crossing the major checkpoint. Second, maturation promoting factor or the MPF is formed by mitotic cyclins plus CDC2 kinase. This is also true that MPF maturation promoting factor is formed by the mitotic cyclin plus CDC2 kinase. Third, cyclins are polysaccharides that activate protein kinases. No, cyclins are also proteins that activate the protein kinases. So these are not polysaccharides, they are proteinaceous in nature. Fourth, G2 to M transition is known as minor checkpoint. Yes, it is true. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's pick up the next question. Question number 95. Identify the following statement as true or false and choose the correct option. A. Usually lower surface of dorsiventral leaf has a greater number of stomata. Yes, it is true. So this statement is true, as in the dorsiventral leaf, majorly in the dicots, it has greater number of stomata on the lower surface. B. Root pressure accounts for the majority of water transport. No, for majority of water transport there is transpiration pull, not the root pressure. This makes the statement false. C. Pinus seeds cannot germinate and establish without the presence of mycorrhizae. This is also true. Mycorrhizal associations are important for the seed germination in case of pinus plants, and mycorrhiza is the symbiotic association of roots of higher plants and the fungi. D. Bulk flow can be achieved either through a positive hydrostatic pressure gradient or a negative pressure gradient. This is also true because positive hydrostatic pressure is the root pressure and the negative pressure gradient is created in the xylem during the transpiration pull. So true, false, true, true. The correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move to the next question.